everyone, welcome you all for this series on Power BI. Hope you're all doing great. Well, in this particular video, I'm going to explain you how to create waterfall chart as well as a gate chart. So what do you mean by a waterfall chart? So I'll explain what it is first by plotting a graph. Okay, so just go to this, whatever graph you have above the map, just click on that. That's a waterfall chart. Okay. So most of the times company is focused on knowing which products is giving you the highest profit, which product is giving you the negative profit. Only based on that, business can be improvised, right? Because what is the point in selling products which are giving a negative profit? It's kind of loss for a business. It's kind of loss for a company. So instead of that, what they do, they just do analysis. To do analysis or to know which product is giving a positive profit and which is giving it a negative profit. To do that analysis, what do you have to do? You just have to go with the waterfall chart. Okay, so for that, one categorical column is required. I want to see which subcategory is giving a positive profit and which subcategory is giving a negative profit. Select subcategory and select a profit. And this is how, a waterfall chart is going to look. Whatever things you see in a green color, you can see copiers is giving highest profit. The next highest is phones, and which is giving you the very less profit. So machines is giving very less profit. And similarly, there are few products which is giving you the negative profit, such as like suppliers, bookcases, tables. These are the different subcategories which are giving very less profit. I hope it's clear. So this is all about waterfall chart. Let's create one more chart, that is a gate chart. Even this is very interesting. Let's say, for example, here is a gate chart. What if a company wants to compare a company's total sales with a target? So this works when you have a target. This works only if you have a target. Okay. So this is a gate chart. I'll just select, sales. So this is a total sales made by a company. If you have a target column, if you know the target of a company, like what target a company is expecting. So if you know that, what you can do, you can just select that, target column. It just gives you the line, something like this. So from this, you can understand whether a company has reached a target or not. So if this is a target of a company, that means a company has not reached a target. If something, let's say, for example, your target is somewhere here. So that means a company has exceeded the target. So that means like company has done more sales than what they expected. So this is how, gate chart is going to work. And you can do the formatting, just go to the format option and you can just format it. Similarly, you can do it with a profit as well. When you have a certain target, companies usually will have a target profit, right? So when you have a target profit, so just check whether company has reached a required profit or not. So to compare it with the profit, we use a concept called as gate chart. I hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.